this that doesn't go through Julia.
How much have you changed?
Politics at this level, there's always a price.
It's mafia money straight into Julia's pocket.
You wear the wire. You get Councilwoman Ayers on record.
Miguel was dropped off the grid.
I was thinking maybe I could help you with information to track down my dad.
I am formally opening a file on Donnie Punk's disappearance.
I think we may have a leak.
You still think you can keep secrets from me, Arlie?
Stall. He's unstable.
We're striking first.
Nobody near me is safe. Officer down!
Shades of Blue, Sundays 10, 9 Central on NBC.
Yeah.